Hey, and namaste. I'm Zay with the Xude Yoga, and welcome to day 4 of 7 days of yoga for the new year. So yesterday we focused on the solar plexus, and today we move up to the heart space. So we're going to make this flow very gentle, very light. We're going to be seated for most of the sequence. So, just move however your body needs to, make any adjustments for your body, and feel free to let us know what you think of this flow. And yeah, let's get into it. Let's begin by making your way into a comfortable seat of your choice. So you can stay in a cross leg or you can sit on the heels. And feel free during this practice to alternate between any comfortable seat for you and for your body. All right. When you're seated, tucking the hips forward, lengthening the spine, loosening the shoulders, lowering the jaw and the tongue, finding complete relaxation within the body. Taking deep inhales through the nose and deep exhales out of the nose or the mouth. Feeling your body rooting into the surface. Maybe even placing one hand on the heart and one on the solar space above the belly button. Tapping into the anchor of your body, the center of your body. Maybe even visualizing green during this practice. Green is the color of the energy of the heart center. Breathing in, green, exhaling, letting go. You can remain here with your eyes closed, bringing the gaze in between the third eye. And as you inhale, bringing the arms above the shoulders, spreading the fingertips, or just allowing them to loosen. As you inhale, extend the spine upward. Exhale, continuing to breathe here. One deep inhale. And exhale like a bird, bringing the tops of the hands towards the surface. Very slowly, following the breath. Inhale, bringing the hands above the shoulders. Exhale, lower, doing this at your own pace, slowing down the movement as you gradually slow down the breath. With the hands lowered on an exhale, bringing the hands to the knees. Inhaling, drawing the chest forward and the crown back. Exhale, tucking the chin into the chest, curling the spine forward, and moving through these seated cat-cows at your own pace. Making sure the body is following the breath. Now from here, we're going to rotate the top of the head and the hips simultaneously. As you inhale, drawing the crown back, arching the spine, rotating forward. As you exhale, the chin tucks into the chest and the hips tuck forward. Slowly moving at your own pace, still focusing on the heart center. And rotating in the other direction. Finding flow within your breath. Allowing the body to move like water. And exhale, tucking the chin into the chest. We're going to fold over the knees and rest here, maybe resting on top of the hands. Extending the arms out in front of you. We're going to walk the hands to the left, folding over the left knee, reaching the right arm over, feeling the stretch in the right shoulder, moving from the base of the hips all the way into the right fingertips. Feeling the energy move with ease throughout the heart space. And inhale, slowly moving forward. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side, walking the hands to the right, focusing on the extension of the left arm. You can take a slight bend in the right elbow. Breathing into the left side of the body. Allowing this energy to freely move from the root all the way up the spine into the left fingertips. On your next inhale, coming back to center. And you can bring the hands to the side, slowly pushing the body up and swaying the shoulders back, almost moving in a serpent-like motion. Rotating the shoulders one by one. And rotating them in the other direction. Tucking the chin into the chest, slowly rolling back up, sending the arms above the shoulders. Maybe while here, rotating the wrist. Rotating in the other direction. All right. Now when you're ready, bringing the left hand behind you, the right hand comes to the outside of the left knee as you press and twist, looking over the left shoulder. Keeping the spine stacked, trying not to arch the back too much. Focusing on opening up the shoulders. You can even bring the right palm over the body, coming into a slight back bend. Rotating the wrists. And exhale, slowly coming back to center, doing a counter stretch to the right. Inhale, coming back to center. Moving out the shoulders. Taking a second to move however you would like. Inhale, bringing the arms over the head. Rotating the wrists. And exhale, bringing the right hand behind you. The left hand comes to the outside of the right knee as you press and twist, keeping the spine as straight as possible as you look over the right shoulder. Maybe even bringing the left palm over the head, taking a slight back bend, being very gentle. And then slowly coming back forward as you release into a counter stretch to the left. So let's kind of move around. Coming back to center, we're going to come into a tabletop and take a minute or two to move however you would like. Maybe stretch out the ankles, move the hips around. Just doing what feels good for your body in this moment. All right, only when you're ready, we're going to meet in a child's pose, extending the arms out in front of us. You can keep the third eye lifted or you can lower. Internally rotating the shoulders. Tucking the chin into the chest, the hips forward, and slowly rocking forward into a cobra. Feeling the body curl, and shifting the hips towards the earth, shoulders back, rotating them externally. Drawing the chest forward, crown upward. And exhale, tucking the hips forward and the chin to the chest, and coming back into a child's pose. Moving between these two poses very slowly at your own pace, following the breath. Alright, inhale, rocking back forward into a cobra. We're going to lower down onto the chest and take a moment to rest here. Maybe resting on both the arms, the hands, coming onto either ear. bringing the hands, the palms right underneath the shoulders. You can press up, tucking the elbows in and lifting the chest, or you can lift the hands off of the surface, drawing the shoulders back. If you want to challenge, you can lift the toes off of the earth. And exhale, release. Coming into a bow by grabbing onto the insides of the feet. Being very gentle with your spine here. Being very gentle with your heart. Rotating the shoulders outward. Kicking the toes upward. You can stay here as you lift the chest. Going as deep into this pose as you would like. Keep kicking into the palms. Lifting. Exhale, release. Coming onto the hands. For the next 5 to 10 minutes, you can flow however you would like. You can pause this video. I'm going to suggest another video above for you to continue this practice. Thank you for showing up, and I will see you tomorrow for day 5. And only when you're ready. Pressing into the palms. Walking the body up. Maybe moving back into a child's pose. You can stay here as we end this practice. You can roll the body up. Stretch out the shoulders, the hips. And finding our way into a seat of our choice, so you can come onto your back in Shavasana. When you're here, just relaxing the body, tuning into the breath, tuning back into the heart, feeling all that you need to feel. Taking deep inhales through the nose and deep exhales out of the nose or mouth. Slowing down the breath. You can place one hand on the heart, one on the solar space. Feeling life move through you as you inhale, and cleansing as you exhale. Thank you for showing up in this space, for doing the work, and thank you for allowing me to guide you through this practice. Until tomorrow for day 5, namaste.